My video guide will give you instructions to get rid of the ransomware that is called Zoom. It is called Zoom because it adds a special Zoom extension to the files that are encrypted by this ransomware. And Zoom ransomware, of course, does not make any good thing for the computer. It does only the things that are really bad. It encrypts the files and tells its victims to pay the special ransom for the file recovery. On the other hand, paying the ransom for file recovery does not guarantee that you would get your files back. In the video, I will demonstrate to you what happens before the ransomware attack and after the ransomware attack. So before the attack, you are able to open the files without any problems. But as soon as the ransomware is inside the computer, it starts immediately encrypting the data that you store on the system. Sooner or later, you will discover that the files on your computer are now encrypted, and this special Zoom extension has been added. And this is that scary alert that tells you to pay the ransom. However, as I said, paying the ransom doesn't guarantee that you will get your files back. What we recommend you to do is to immediately undertake the measures to remove this ransomware. Go to your system drive, select Program Files folder, and we recommend you to open Internet Explorer browser as the only available browser that has not been damaged so far, or its profiles have not been damaged. Go to the page combocleaner.com to download Combo Cleaner Antivirus. So after it is downloaded and installed, start the application and begin the analysis of your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. However, the trial version only gives you the quick scan option, even though the premium one has got full scan and custom scan too. Click on the Start Scan button to begin the detailed investigation of your computer. The quick scan will be in progress, and it may take a while until the quick scan is completed. While the quick scan is taking place, you may experiment with certain settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. It has got the powerful anti-ransomware feature. You may select a special folder where you may have all your files stored in a safe place and protect it against all possible ransomware attacks. So you may add this folder and keep your files protected in it. However, this feature again is the part of the premium version only. After the scanning is completed, the program will give you the detailed summary of all threats on your computer and their exact location. Some of these threats may be related to your available browsers like Google Chrome or Firefox. Combo Cleaner will help you to fix your browsers. In fact, all the browsers that have troubles can be easily fixed by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. And what's more important, Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete more serious threats like ransomware, and as I have said, it will help you to protect your data from being damaged and infected in the future. So enjoy Combo Cleaner. Consider upgrading to the premium version of the software to make sure that all your data is in the safe place.